Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your crypto.com account into Binance. To start off, make sure that you're both verified on both crypto.com and Binance. You'll need your verification, so your passport or your ID, in order to be verified so you can buy and sell crypto, but then you can transfer this amount of Bitcoin into other platforms. You're going to press the deposit button, press Bitcoin and choose deposit from other platforms. Here you're going to get a Bitcoin wallet address. You can scan the QR code or just put the BTC wallet address into Binance. But because we want to transfer from crypto to Binance, we can do the same thing in Binance. Okay, but this is a bit of a tutorial so you know how to get your wallet address so you're able to transfer from other platforms into your crypto.com account. As you can see, there are many different cryptocurrencies that you can trade, such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc, etc. So we're going to exit. Or, of course, you can go into the pay with crypto selection. Unfortunately, you can see the camera there jitter for a little bit. But yeah, you can see the cryptocurrency. You can pay with this, or you can just go into the Binance account. You can go into the deposit section. And then you can pick your Bitcoin. So let's say we're going to go with the BTC because we know this, Bitcoin. Then here you will pick Bitcoin as the network, and here is your wallet address. So if you want to pay via crypto.com to Binance, scan the wallet address, pick how much Bitcoin you want to transfer over, and this is how you can transfer money from crypto to Binance. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.